Hello everyone. Once you have built the best gaming PC, it's time to add system with a bit of a flair by adding some lighting. RGB LED strip lights are becoming more popular nowadays due to their energy saving characteristic, ability to produce vibrant colors, excellent brightness and very flexible to work with both home and offices. Apart from installing them indoors, this reduces eye strain when watching monitors at night with backlighting. In fact, they might even be able to reduce your bill if you make them default lighting. With the advancement in technology and change in lifestyle, everybody wants to enjoy the cinematic experience at home or any other entertainment place. For them, the best choice is to go with RGB LED strip lights. On that note, presenting Lytmi Screen Strip Light for Windows PC gives a more immersive experience when using your PC, as it's synchronizing along with what's happening on the screen and replicates those colors on the LED strip that will be stuck on the back of your monitor. It also offers Lytmi Neo Sync box and TV backlit kit for your TV as well. I will leave details in description with purchasing link if you wanna check out the current price. The Lightning kit comes in two different monitor sizes, where one is below 31 inches and another is 31 to 42 inches. On the back mentioned the box content with some quick specs. Without a further ado, let's open it up. On the first you get user manual in multi languages. Next is a 12V 2A power adapter of 150 cm length. Now here is controller, which has the 3 buttons, 3 separate cables, where one is for connecting LEDs, power connection point and USB Type-A connection to connect to your PC. The strip light equipped with ARGB LEDs to ensure the high accuracy in reproduction, silicone diffuser to make it hard to be damaged, and ensure a large illuminated area. Note that the LED strips themselves are not magnetic, so you will need to mount those brackets to install the Lytmi monitor strips. You can cut the LED strips at any cut points and install them for different purposes. Their cut points are at every 5 cm intervals. The LED strips has 60 LEDs per meter. The Lytmi software supports multiple screen synchronization, starting from 17 to 55-inch displays, including modern standard 16:9, old standard 4:3, ultra wide 21:9, super wide 32:9. But one screen requires the purchase of a set of products. I will be installing the LED strip kit on this 29-inch ultra-wide 21:9 gaming monitor. Installation wise, I will cover a whole square area, all the way around like this. So let's install the LED mounts. There is a sticky 3M sticker at the back. Peel that off and just stick it towards the corner. I will do the same on the other side. We can now install the straight mounts. So we will put one at the top and 2 on the either side, plus 3 at the bottom. We can now attach the LED strip to these clips into position. The end piece now can be cut off. Here at the bottom end of the monitor, just cutting across here, taking the cap off on the end and just placing it on there to keep it close. And then we can clip it into the place. This is how it looks with the LED attached, and you can see for yourself. Now let's connect the control box. We can plug in the LEDs using the connection here. Power adapter can be plugged in here. Now connect the USB to PC. This product is only compatible with Windows only. You will need to download the Lytmi software that is included in the package. This will allow you to control the LEDs and sync with your monitor. I will drop a link in description for the same. Except for control by software, strip lights can also be controlled by control box, which can be used as power button to turn on or off. Then you have got color selection. You can flip between the different colors. And then finally, you have got different modes. As per OEM, it has 25,000 hours of working life. If you want to create a smooth color gradients and fancy patterns, the Lytmi strip should be at the top of your list. Running the software, and first of all over here it's a quick way to turn it on and off. Coming below that, you have got a movie. Here anything that represented on the screen is replicated in terms of colors around the LEDs. In movie you have got 3 modes of action here: smooth, normal and high. higher would be more relevant and fast. Then you have got music. In the music, here music plays in the room while synchronizing along with what's happening. And there is a 3 option on this. You have got a spectrum, electronic and lithium. Next is mood. There are preset scenes and it doesn't synchronize along with what's happening on the screen. It has 12 modes like rainbow, fire, star, swing and etc. If you flip it back to movie, that's probably the main one you want to work with, as it synchronizes along with what's happening on the screen. Now moving further to settings, below that you have got device, so you can have multiple devices connected to computer. If you had multiple screens, you can select which one you are working off and then language. Next we have got interconnect, and this is where other devices can synchronize along with the LED strip. Here is an update option. You can set it according to your needs, as it's easy to operate. The software and ARGB LEDs quality are good. This might be worth considering. The Lytmi strip light is perfect product for home, office, or any small business that requires a little extra light. It has been designed to provide an even soft light without any harsh shadows. If you are looking for an LED light that is budget friendly and easy to install, then this video is definitely for you. This LED strip is one of the best in class products that have come across. It has a very simple installation process and works great. The price point is also very attractive. Do you have any questions or comments? Let us know in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.